Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Shanis, and today we're going to be making sherbet with fruit syrup. And welcome back to Shanis Cooking Class. So make sure to share this video with your friend and make sure to subscribe and like. And make sure to share this video with your friends if you like baking or cooking. So without further ado, let's get started. The ingredients needed for this recipe are fruit syrup, sugar, ice, lemon or lime is optional, and lastly a glass of water. For step number 1 is you need a glass and fill it 2/3 of water. And then you're going to get some sugar and put 2 teaspoons. 1, and then 2. And now you're going to mix it up until it gets dissolved. And then when that's done, you're going to put in some lime or lemon. As I said earlier, it's optional. So if it's not squeezing, the squeezing your nails hard. You can put it in a lot. And then, when you're done with that, you're going to mix it up until it gets dissolved. And that's for step number 1. For step number 2 is you need your mixture from step number 1. So you need the fruit syrup. And if you want to know what it's basically specifically called, it's called rosa. And what I do is I put it in the cap but sometimes it drizzles down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it on my table, on my spoon. And then mix it. If it looks a little pink, then I'm going to put 1 more. And then you want to close it because you want the kitchen to be clean because you don't want your parents cleaning. And that's for step number 2. This is the last step, number 3. So what you need is your rolls of step number 1 and step number 2 combined. So I'm just going to mix it one more time, make sure it's mixed. And then I usually put 4 to 5 amount of cubes of ice. So I'm just going to a little bit. Get out. Hi! 2. Okay kids, you better be watching me and watching you. Sorry kids. Okay, I'll just put it in my hand. Okay guys, this is my final result. So this is the sherbet. Let me just take one quick sip, okay? I just need one more sip, one more. One last sip. Okay, so these are one of my favorite snacks that I have with a drink, or you guys can have it with a drink. I'm going to show you. So what I like is I like some dates in a Red Bull, some nuts, walnuts in a yellow bowl, or you can have any type of nuts, and a junk snack. I have some popcorn. You know, everyone loves popcorn. And now I'm going to have a quick snack. That's fun. I hope you guys like this video. Please do subscribe. Sorry, I have a tooth that's about to get out. So make sure to subscribe and like. And so, as I said before, if you like baking and cooking, and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe and like. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like. And bye, guys.